So I'm gonna do unboxing. I got my POPMARTS. Another POPMARTS. I got from Aura. Great shoes take you to great places. Here in Bangkok. So another have a seat. Labubu. Here. And then I got from the Powerpuff Girls. This, not just one. I got 3. So which one you want to me to unbox? Okay, this one. See, this is the box. The cereal here. So, I'm hoping I want to get Bubbles, Blossom, and Buttercup. Those 3. But if not, it's fine. This is the characters. And of each, I'll be fine. See it. Let's unbox. I think I got bubbles. I'm so happy. Wow. That's so cute. This one. God, Blossom. That's so cute. I'm excited. I want to get V.2. This one, I hope. But if it's not, I have Hee. I have Hee. Where's Hee? Hee is Hee. I have Hee and Mokoko. So this time, let's see. Oh my gosh, I got yes, I got CZ. Wow. Yes, this one is CZ. It's cute. Another one. Close eyes. Ah, so cute. Sticker. Here. So this is the sticker. So this is the last one. Let's see. I hope I get buttercup. Get buttercup. Let's see. I don't want to leave the sticker. It's the last one box. What's this?
I don't know.
Yeah. So I got another bubbles, but different. See?
Oh, so you didn't get all three.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. So cute. Cute, cute, cute.